Okay, this rule is called the zero exponent rule, and it basically says anything, doesn't matter what it is, anything raised to the zero power is 1. As long as it's not 0 to the zero power, that becomes something completely weird and different. But the reason that this is the way it is we can go back to something simple that we know. We know that 5 over 5 is 1, right? We know that because we understand that that's really a division problem, and 5 divided by 5 is 1. Well, we know that. Okay, well, according to our exponent rules, when we divide like bases, we have to subtract the exponents. So 5 over 5, this is technically 5 to the first on top and bottom. So technically, that would be 5 to the 1 minus 1 power, which would technically be 5 to the 0, and we already know that that has to turn out to be 1. See, some of these are things that we already know, but maybe we didn't know exactly why. Okay, so let's look at an example here. Here we have 7 to the 0 power. Anything raised to the 0 power is 1 automatically. Now here we have negative 2x to the 0 power. You have to ask yourself, what is being raised to the 0 power? In this case, only the x is being raised to the 0 power. So x to the 0 is 1, but then we also have the negative 2 times that. So negative 2 times 1 would be negative 2. Now here again for the next problem, watch it, be really careful. The 0 power is only affecting the 3, not the negative. So 3 to the 0 power is 1, but then we have that negative also on the outside. Plus 4 to the 0 power is 1. So now we have negative 1 plus 1, which is actually 0. On these, you're going to have to be very careful about trying to make sure that you know what is being raised to the 0 power. And for that matter, on any of the powers, that's the truth. Make sure that you understand exactly what is being raised to a power every time.